Africa Health in Medlab Africa 2024 has a number of leading names when it comes to the healthcare industry, including Roche. I'm sitting here with Kolapi from Roche. Kolapi, what are you guys bringing to Africa Health this year?
Thank you very much. So Roche this year we're showcasing some of our innovations at Africa Health, so at our exhibition booth. But beyond that, this year, because Roche has an ambition to really increase access to in vitro diagnostics 10 times, that's tenfold in 10 years on the continent.
Wow.
Right? So what that means is that we expect that by 2031, we'll have 500 million people having access to our innovative diagnostic solutions annually.
So to reach 500 million people in Africa by 2031, what are some of the challenges that Roche is addressing at the moment to get to that number?
So I think there's this misconception about the challenges in Africa. A lot of people believe that infrastructure is the major gap. But I think beyond that, there's other factors that has to be considered. So governments are heavily focused on solving the infrastructure challenge, but there's a huge challenge around healthcare financing. And that is an opportunity area where government needs to pay attention to as well.
Now this year at Africa Health, you talk about your innovations that you've been bringing through to Africa for a number of years. Anything in particular that's standing out for us?
For us, I think one thing that I would like to share is that Roche, within our innovative solutions, we have a broad range of solutions that cuts across diabetes, anticoagulation, hematology, molecular laboratory, chemistry, a broad range.
Are you reaching the right people by being at a conference or an exhibition like Africa Health?
Yeah, Africa Health is really a very good platform. It gives us a good opportunity to meet with these stakeholders I've mentioned from global, regional and local governments. Yesterday we had several engagements with key government officials from several countries on the continent, and we also met with private sector entities, right? So which is very important. We've met with NGOs, we've met with fellow manufacturers, so we can rub minds and then we can see how do we on the continent come together collaboratively, go into a well-structured partnership that enables us to co-create effective, sustainable and scalable solutions that will help shape the landscape of healthcare system on the continent.
And ultimately, what are you hoping to achieve by being at the show this year?
Really, this year is really focused around partnerships. Because for our ambition to reach 500 million people annually from 2031 with our innovative diagnostic solutions, which helps us to scale access tenfold in 10 years. We can't do it alone. We need to go into partnerships. So we'll be looking out for opportunities to partner with different stakeholders.
Well, thank you so much for your time, Kolapi. We really appreciate it.
Really appreciate that.
So come and join us. We'd love to see your partnership here at Africa Health 2024.